Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your Mac is running the latest updates and that headphones or Bluetooth speakers are disconnected. Open System Settings, then Sound, and select internal speakers as the output device. This forces audio back to the hardware. Once done, mute and then unmute and increase the volume. If the output option is missing, proceed immediately to reset core audio in the next step. Don't reboot yet, because we need to isolate the software layer first. You will reset the Mac OS audio engine. Open Terminal and enter sudo pkill corodiod, then authenticate. This force-quits corodiod and Mac OS restarts it automatically. After that, open Audio MIDI Setup and confirm the internal speakers use 44100 HC or 48000 HC. Mismatched sample rates can silence audio. Make sure the device is not set to 0-bit depth or muted. Once these settings are correct, test sound. If still dead, clear NVRAM and check the next final step. You complete the recovery by resetting NVRAM. Shut down, power on and hold Option-Command-PR for about 20 seconds, then release and let Mac OS boot normally. This restores sound-related firmware settings. Next, boot into safe mode to see if third-party software caused the issue, and if needed, create a fresh user account to isolate preferences. If audio still fails, run Apple Diagnostics to check hardware. Troubleshooting tip: if diagnostics shows no error but
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.